Hi, this is Anthony Cavalucci from the National Weather Service in Morristown, Tennessee. Today is February 11th, 2014. Wanted to give you a quick update on the significant snowfall that's expected to move into East Tennessee, Southwest North Carolina, and Southwest Virginia early on Wednesday morning and persist into Wednesday night. Between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m., we could see a mix, possible wintry mix, depending on your elevation across the southern Tennessee Valley, before changing to snow. While it could be all snow in southwest North Carolina, look for Chattanooga, Cleveland areas in southwest North Carolina between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. before that wintry mix changes to all snow. Interstate 75 south of Knoxville could see significant delays. Expect snow to begin between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. as precipitation moves northward towards the Knoxville area, and this will impact travel along Interstate 40 and Interstate 81. Expect long travel delays in these areas due to the weather. Tri-Cities in Southwest Virginia should begin to see snow between 1 p.m. and 4 p.m. and also expect travel delays along Interstate 81 north of Knoxville on Wednesday afternoon. Here's a look at the snowfall forecast, the snow total forecast expected through Thursday morning. Snow is going to end from the south to the north Wednesday night, first in the Southern Valley, and then by Thursday morning across all of Southwest Virginia. But look at these snowfall amounts are much different than what we saw with the last several systems, which were kind of these clipper systems, fast-moving winter storm systems that were very dry. This storm system is much different. While it's coming from the south and pulling in quite a bit of Gulf moisture, so a lot more snowfall, heavier snowfall than what we saw. So it's going to be a wet snow, and it's pretty significant snowfall totals. On the other side of the mountains in North Carolina, really quite significant snowfalls will occur. Look, be prepared for the upcoming winter weather. Keep up to date with the latest forecasts, watches, and warnings. You can go to weather.gov for that information. Make sure that your emergency kit is stocked. Minimize your travel. It will not be fun to travel. Expect long delays if you must travel. Also, don't use your generator indoors, grill, camping stove. If you happen to lose power, please do all of those things outdoors. Thanks for listening, and stay abreast of the developing situation.